Do you run a fireplace store and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your business? If your answer was yes to that question, you are certainly in the right place today. So keep your eyes peeled on this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a website on the Mighty Sites platform. If you aren't familiar with it yet, we built Mighty Sites to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for an affordable price. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details needed. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, Fireplace Store. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sats a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't quite matter where in the world your business is located, which city or state or region, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's change that to retail. Click on continue and let multi-sites work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even 10 seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites and the platform is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, very beautiful, completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of all the beautiful products you stock in your store. Maybe make one or two amendments to that content. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that today. You don't need to know any sort of website coding or possess any web professional skills. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's make our way to the first section. Click on Update section. Over here, we can pop in our email address. We want to make sure that email address is visible on our website. Whoops. So we're going to go ahead and tick the box, show email on site. Awesome. Let's go ahead and pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. Under address, I'm going to go ahead and pop in my physical location, my street address of my store. The great thing about that physical location when your website is live, your customers can click on that address will automatically take them to Google Maps. Under update social links, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Under update logo, I'm going to go ahead and pop my business logo in over here. If you don't have a logo, I recommend you check out canva.com. Once your logo has been uploaded, if you want to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate, add filters, frames, click on that pencil over it. Otherwise, click on save. Over here on the right, you can make the logo bigger and smaller. Excellent. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. This one's quite suitable for my business. However, if you want to change it, no color coding needed at all. Click on the paint bucket bottom right hand corner. Go through the various color palettes available for you to use. Awesome. Now for each section that you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image first. Over here you can browse your device and upload your own images. Otherwise search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. You can play around with the keywords a little bit until some suitable images pop up. Awesome. Under update action is where you can change the button text. It currently says contact us today. You can amend it and you can link the button to various places. Under update content is where you can change that pre-written content to suit your business. Go ahead and make it more personalized if you wish. In the last section over here, is where you can put your trading hours for your store. Click on update section, pop in your trading hours so your customers can view your hours that you are open for their convenience. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on this button, connect your domain. Connect it by saying, I already have a domain. Otherwise, click on the green button to purchase a new domain via the multi-site platform to make your website look even more professional and trustworthy. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your Fireplace store, and I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.